Hi guys, it's Keely from Haitian Fashionista, and I'm so excited because today I have a hair tutorial for you guys. Woo! Okay, I'm actually going to be showing you guys one of my absolutely favorite hairstyles, and I'm actually wearing it right now. You want to see? So yeah, it's just like two braids that you braid back and you pin. I call it the backwards crown. So it's absolutely perfect for dressing up, dressing it down, quick on the go, and in the summer it's perfect, especially to get your hair out of your face, you know, when it's hot and all. So I'm going to be showing you guys that now, so let's get started. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel here at Haitian Fashionista, and I am so excited today because I'm going to be sharing with you guys a hairstyle tutorial. Okay, so right now my hair is a bit crazy. It's just super curly. I let it go, you know, set it free. I let it go because I'm going to be actually braiding it. Okay, so you guys may have seen this hairstyle a lot on Haitian Fashionista on my blog and on my Instagram a lot. I wear it all the time. It's because it's so easy and it's mine to go to. And it's just comfortable and it's cute. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. Like with it, it's great. It's fantastic. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. It's super quick and easy, and you guys can do it yourself at home. So you guys can do it with me as I'm showing, telling you the steps, or you can, you know, follow along or wait till after. Either way. So let's get started. Okay. So right now, it's just super curly and frizzy, and I let it go. But I usually, let me grab this. I usually start with with my hair parted in the middle, and it's already parted right there, parted right now. But just in case, I usually just at least start half of the first part of my hair parted in the front, okay? And then one of my absolutely favorite ingredients or that I like to use on my hair is called Carol's Daughter hair milk. It's really great. It's conditioning hair hairspray, nourishes and conditions your hair at the same time, and for me that's fantastic because I need a lot of hydration in my hair. It gets dry super quickly. You can probably tell it gets frizzy a lot easily, but when I use Carol's Daughter, it's really great on my hair because it lessens that frizziness and it just keeps it really hydrated all day long. So I'm going to spray a couple on each side as I have it sectioned off. Okay, then on this side, and some in the back. But you can use any type of hair product that you feel that's just that's great for keeping your hair locked in and moisturized. I just prefer this for me. This is great. And then one of the second products that I'm going to be showing you is from Cantu. It's really great. It's called Shea Butter, and it's really great for strengthening your hair and just keeping it all keeping it moisturized and keeping it not a single hair falling out if you need it in place. So that's really great. Okay, so I'm gonna use a bit of the Cantu, wipe it up on my hand, and I'm gonna put some right here on the right by the sides of my hair. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna grab just a little bit more and rub that. I'm gonna tend to put now all on this side of it. Okay, I'm gonna come to. All over. Okay, now I'm gonna comb it or brush it through. It can be a struggle a bit sometimes, but it's that why I use that Carol's Daughter is because it's really great for detangles as well. See, hair for days, girl. Hair for days. Okay, now that I've got it a little bit combed out and it's a little bit straightened and all, now we're gonna French braid this left section. Okay, so we're gonna French braid this section. Little tangled right there. So you can see, try to show you guys on the side so you can see what I'm doing. Just braiding it, pulling it up, braiding it. Can you guys see that? Now I'm getting close to the end, so I'm just braiding as I go and grabbing what needs to be braided. Okay, now we got that section.